my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make for you a cookie that is a take on one of my favorite Christmas treats. If you have been around my channel for any amount of time, you know that at Christmas I love making peanut butter balls, or some of you may know them as Buckeyes. So that is what I'm gonna make. I'm gonna make a Buckeye brownie cookie. Today is also a collaboration with the wonderful Luann over at Heartfilled Kitchen. So I want to thank her so much for opening up this collaboration. I will leave a link to her channel in my description box, and make sure when you go over there that you tell her that I sent you. Also, make sure to check out the playlist of all of the content creators that are providing cookie recipes for you in today's playlist. So let me show you how it's done. All right, this cookie that I'm gonna make is called a Buckeye. The last time I said Buckeye, it sounded like I was saying bug eyes, but anyway, Buckeye brownie cookies. Now, if you know me, you know that I love a good peanut butter ball, which is what a Buckeye is. But anyway, for this, you are gonna need a pack of brownie mix, peanut butter, powdered sugar, chocolate chips, an egg, quarter of a cup of butter, and actually half a bar of cream cheese. This sounds delicious. I've never made it before, but if it's brownies and peanut butter, it's gotta be good. I have my oven preheating to 350. I'm gonna add in a bowl the brownie batter mix, the softened cream cheese, one egg, and the melted butter. Now I'm gonna blend it until everything is creamy and the dough is formed. Now I have to scoop the dough onto an ungreased cookie sheet. It says it makes about 24 cookies. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. And it also says just to smooth them out and make sure they are round and cookie shaped. These are probably gonna be a lot smaller than what the recipe intends, because this is 18 and I still have that much batter. So yeah, but we're gonna work with what we got. Now I put these in a 350-degree oven for about 12 minutes. Now I'm gonna mix together 1 cup of powdered sugar and 1 cup of peanut butter, which is my favorite part. And then I'm just gonna stir it until it is completely combined. My hands are freshly washed, just so you know. But now I'm going to use that scoop, and I'm gonna scoop the peanut butter mixture into, well, right now I have 18 cookies, but I'm supposed to have 24. So you just make round, you form them into round balls, like about this size, I guess, depending on how much the cookie spread. Like I said, this is my first time to make this, and I have some wax paper here, so I'm not setting it on the counter. This is on wax paper, but anyway, that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna make 24 of these peanut butter balls. right, these are probably too small, but I'm gonna take the smaller ones and put them on these. But you just take the peanut butter ball and you just kind of press it into the cookie. Kind of like a thumbprint cookie, I guess. Maybe, I don't know. And after I do this, then I have to mix or melt the chocolate and pour it on top. These look so good. All right, I probably should have made the cookies bigger, but let me make some of these smaller. I'll know for next time. Make your cookies bigger. So anyway, I'm just gonna finish this and then I'm gonna melt the chocolate. All right, I have the chocolate chips in here and now I'm gonna microwave them at like 20-second intervals and stir in between each interval until it's melted. All right, this is the part I'm unsure about. I've got my chocolate melted. It's not super runny. You'll notice it's in a bowl. That's because the first batch came out and I think I may have cooked it too long. So I'm just gonna do that. I'm just gonna dollop. How about that? Just dollop. Like a little kiss on top. It says to cover it, but this chocolate isn't cooperating. So I'm just gonna finish covering these or dolloping the chocolate on these, and then they will be done. I want to tell you a little bit about Luann. Her channel is called Heart-Filled Kitchen, and if you just look at her video playlist, you will see that her kitchen is full of love. She has tons of recipe ideas, whether it is baking, desserts, meal ideas, crock pot. She does a lot of shopping, grocery hauls. So make sure to check out her channel. You will not be disappointed. You will definitely find something there that you want to make in your kitchen. Oh, shoot. Well, that one may be the one for me and my husband. The two were joined as one, right? That was so cheesy. Oh well, anyway, gonna let these cool and then it'll be done. Not only is today a cookie collaboration, but it's also sponsored by a company called Redmond, and they sent me this toaster for me to try out. Redmond is a company that sells a lot of kitchen appliances, and I will tell you a little bit more about them as I am unboxing this and making me some toast for breakfast this morning. But I wanted to show you what they sent me, and now I'm going to turn you around so that you can see it as it comes out of the box. This particular toaster that they sent me is a 2-slice toaster, but they do have a toaster option with 4 slices, so you can make 4 slices. They also have different styles. They have the retro style, which is the one that I got, which I absolutely love, and they also have a more modern style, and they do come in a variety of colors. I think this color is gorgeous. It is so pretty. But I also do want to mention that the toaster also has a removable crumb tray, so it makes for easy cleanup. And the style for this toaster is, it's just beautiful. It's very sleek, and the other products that they have everything from, toasters, they have coffee makers and milk frothers, they have blenders. So make sure to check out the link that I'm gonna have in the description box below. I love that the slots for where the toast goes is wide. The slots are wide. So this will be great for bagels also. The toaster has a cancel button, a bagel button, so it only heats the one side of the bagel. And it also has, which is cool, a defrost button. Then there are 6, I guess, heat level settings that you can switch the knob, whichever way, however you like your toast toasted. And one of the cool things that comes in the box is a toaster heat level setting guide. So it lets you know if you choose level 1, this is what your toast is gonna look like, level 2, all the way up to level 6. So it gives you a visual of what your toast is gonna look like depending on what setting you choose. So I think I'm gonna choose level 2. Here we go. The cancel button lights up when the toast is, or when the bread is being toasted. But if at some point you decide, you know what, I think it's getting too dark, you just press this cancel button and it pops the toast right back up. Christmas is right around the corner, so if you or somebody you know is looking for a small kitchen appliance, then make sure to check out redmondhome.com. It's done and it looks perfect. Oh, y'all, these were so good. Very rich, but very good. So have you a big old glass of milk. All right, what do you think? Those cookies were so good. I would like to just one more time thank Luann over at Heartfield Kitchen for having this collaboration and letting me be a part of it. But also I want to thank Redmond for sponsoring today's video with this beautiful toaster. It's gorgeous. Make sure you check out their website. If you're new to my channel, thanks so much for stopping by. I would love it if you would consider subscribing. If you like meal ideas, shopping hauls, home decor, home organization, I have all of that for you on my channel. Click the subscribe button, click the bell button. Give this video a big thumbs up. It does help me out with YouTube. But anyway, I hope you guys are having a great week. I hope you have a great weekend, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.